Hey guys. So I looked at, some of the comments that it sounded like this one was good. So I'm hoping it was because I was very disappointed, especially in my last video. You should check it out. Uh because maybe you have a different opinion because again, my taste is I believe very maybe drastic different from most people, and especially different from, let's say, the artsy um film lovers, you know the people that love the horror, the B horrors, the offshoot types of shorts, type of movies, type of entertainment. So I'm probably different. Maybe you have, again, these are only my opinion. I don't necessarily make it seem like, oh, these are the worst things ever, because it's only my opinion. You know, other people will have, different tastes. So I would like definitely make that a point. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you see it a different way, tell me what you liked about it. What would you give it? Kind of score would you give it? Yeah, but yeah, I'm weird with my tastes, so not everything hits for me. But I would definitely love to give things a try, and I'm giving this a try. The thing that ate the birds from Alter. Let's hope that this will be more. I mean, it will give me some goosebumps, or even if it doesn't give me goosebumps, something for me to nibble on. Really, is like has some that really hits my taste buds. That makes it really, in my eyes, a decent short. But let's get started with. Let me end my babbling and let's get started. Hmm. Creepy music.
Hey, 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 the door. Chilling for cake. Make it four. Maybe a stout. How many's that now? Too many. I hate them. Yeah. Oh, banging my head against a brick wall, to be honest. She's more like they said for him. You know what he's like. He'll never change. It is what it is. can't make any promises. Okay. I'm gonna go.
Looking alright, boss.
What?
Just see my little dog.
Stop sniffing around your eye. Hey, what now?
Why's that not already loaded?
Okay. Stay here.
Should have shot it again. Okay. Good. Mm. The music is very nice touches. Why didn't they examine the body?
This late.
I'm not.
Are you drunk?
No. What happened?
You did. Peel the potatoes.
Who peels like that?
Show me.
It's fine.
Give me, yeah.
It's fine.
I can't do this anymore.
What? What?
Even Jake says you're worse than usual.
Spelling on me, Grace.
As if I am. Gosh. Do you want me to yell at you? Is that what it is? Will you look at me? You bloody dear, will you look at me?
Stop it!
Do you want me to leave it? Do you want me to pack my things and leave? Because I am that close.
No. It's not that long.
Then not. I can't live like this. It's just the kind.
Stay here.
Boss What's that for?
Stay inside.
What's going on?
Just stay inside.
Mm. A little bit of a goosebump. Oh shit. Goosebumps.
Grace.
Oh shit. Oh, goosebumps. Oh. Oh, that was good. That was actually really good. I like that. I will give that like a 7. Um the beginning dragged on a bit. I don't know if it needed the other guy, the third character, but that was really good. I like that. It hit the creep factor, hit the goosebump factor because I had goosebumps a few times, and good acting. I liked her at the end showing her face that she was seeing it. That was very good. It was decent acting. The trouble you could feel that they were having trouble. Um, I guess like being alcoholic trouble, so that was understandable. Um, the music was good. Uh, the creep music, all the times that I had the little horror creepy music, it gave a good atmosphere to the short. So definitely, those were points for the music. Um, yeah, the monster was a decent monster. Um, I'm gonna see. Let me try to see if I could think of more faults, but yeah, as a short. I mean, you gotta think of things in the contents of it being a short too, but it fit a lot. It gave you the goosebumps, so that was amazing to me. But nothing else really stand out. The music was good. I really liked the horror part, great. I think the other guy was again needless. I don't think that he needed him. You know, it could have done more time with maybe him and her interacting more, give you a little bit more of a feel for the relationship, but still, it was that was fine. Even though within the kitchen part, I guess it gave you a good glimpse of it too. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I can't I can't think of any big faults or anything that's really like terrible. But I gotta say, I love the horror part of it. Man, when something gives me the goosebumps, it's gotta be a 5. Okay, so this one gave me really good goosebumps. So as a 7, it was a good movie. I mean, a good horror short. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Did it give you guys this goosebumps same time as me too? I don't know. You tell me. And tell me if you guys liked it or not too. So yeah. That's it. Stay tuned for more. Hopefully you guys would like and subscribe if you guys actually liked it. But I like to continue this. Although I'm not the most biggest horror fan, you can see I don't really have any horror related things. So I'm not the biggest, but I like horror. I'm an action guy, but you don't see many, action reactions to make, besides maybe fighting, but I can't really, react to some fightings stuff necessarily. But right now, so far, I really do like reacting to the horror things because it's a nice take, and I, the goosebumps are fun to have. So yeah. Anyway, we'll see about anything different in the future, but so far, I'll try to find other horror things, other horror shorts or horror like stuff to react to because it's fun. Anyway, that's it. Later, guys.